Hi there, my name is Brooks with Character Design Forge. In my video called How to Be a Character Designer, we went over some qualities that were important in creating good character designs. And this week we're talking about balance. Now, balance is kind of like a big brother to a lot of our other qualities, where exaggeration and proportion help us to push the limits of what our character can be. Balance is there, tapping them on the shoulder and pulling them out of oncoming traffic. Balance keeps things in check. It's sort of like a justice system. When we're looking to balance something, what tool do we use? Well, usually we have a scale where an object is placed on one side and enough weight is added on the other side in order for them to balance out. In character design, our tool is called the S-curve. The S-curve has its origins in nature and the human body itself. It's what we use to lay down the positioning quickly when gesture drawing. Our spine is shaped like an S, which helps distribute the weight, and the same shape is present in the overall flow of our arms and legs. With an S-curve, you're leaving an origin point and adding weight, exaggeration, or the extremity of a pose, and then using a reaction to bring it back to that origin point. The beauty of the S-curve is that these two halves don't need to be equal. They simply have to have the same termination point. With proportion, we talked about using small, medium, and large forms. But what if the character has tiny legs, a medium-sized middle section, and then a large upper body? An S-curve would begin here, where the most weight is in the head, and going along the spine it would cause the legs to bow out like this. Without balance, a pose can look awkward and off-weight. As a practical tip, make sure that every part of your character's pose is supporting the line of action. No arms off doing their own thing, everything following the flow. This is perhaps one of the most abstract qualities to quantify and show off visually, so if you're confused at all or you have any questions, please leave a comment and perhaps I can answer it further. Ultimately, just keep in mind balance as a principle, because sometimes it's what makes or breaks a character. The next quality we'll be covering is contrast in character design, but we're taking a brief break for a video on line art next week, so look forward to that. Find out more about my course, Learn Character Design, at learncharacterdesign.com. Sign up and get a free ebook when you do that. And I'm also available for consulting and tutoring at brookseggelston.com/one-on-one. Thank you for watching, and have fun creating.